Standard 7 Subject Geography. Lesson number 5 Wind Part 2. Planetary winds. Some winds blow regularly on the earth from high to low pressure belts throughout the year. These winds cover a large portion on the earth. Hence they are called as planetary winds. For example, the easterlies, the westerlies and the polar winds. In both the hemispheres, the winds blow from high pressure area between 25 degree and 35 degree parallel to the equatorial low pressure belt. Due to the rotation of the earth, their original direction changes. In the northern hemispheres, they blow from the northeast to the southwest, whereas in the southern hemisphere, they blow from southeast to the northwest. These winds coming from both the sides converge near the equatorial calm belts. These winds are known as the easterlies. In both the hemispheres, winds blow from mid-latitudinal high pressure belts to the subpolar low pressure belts situated near 60 degree parallels. Their original direction changes due to the rotation of the earth. In the southern hemisphere, these winds blow from the northwest to the southeast, and in the northern hemisphere, they blow from the southwest to the northeast. These winds are called as westerlies. In both the hemispheres, the winds blowing from the polar high pressure belt to the subpolar low pressure belts are called as polar winds. Generally, they blow from east to west. Winds in the southern hemisphere blow with great velocity. The southern hemisphere is mostly occupied by the oceans. In this hemisphere, the obstacle caused by the relief of land surface is almost absent. As there is no obstacle, winds blow with the greater velocity in the southern hemisphere as compared to the northern hemisphere. Their characteristics are as follows. Beyond 40 degrees south, winds blow with tremendous velocity. These winds are called roaring forties. Around 50 degrees south, winds are stormy, hence they are called furious fifties. The stormy winds around 60 degrees south make tremendous noise, and hence they are called as screeching sixties. Do you know the region up to 5 degrees north and 5 degrees south of the equator remains calm for most of the year, and winds do not blow in this region. It is called the equatorial calm zone or doldrums. In the area near the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, that is between 25 degree and 35 degree north and south, there exists a high pressure belt. This is also a calm belt. This belt is known as horse latitudes. Thank you.